Hey guys, what's up? It's Kid Drives Media here, back with another DIY video. Today we're going to be installing a turbo inlet elbow on our Mark 7 and Mark 7.5 Golf GTI or R platform, as well as a intake tube or pipe, whatever you want to call it. We're upgrading from that stock plastic corrugated pipe to a silicone reinforced pipe that's smoother and allows more airflow into your engine, as well as the turbo inlet elbow, which is a larger diameter compared to stock, which allows more air into your turbo to help it spool and possibly create more power than stock. Now, we don't have a tune, but we're hoping to get a little bit more gains out of it. Guys, I'm absolutely pumped to do this. It's just another stepping stone to going stage 2 in the future on my Golf GTI. It's cost effective. It's really not that expensive. The brand we're going to be installing is CTS, both the inlet elbow and the intake pipe. So yeah, I hope to get a little bit of gains. I know we're not going to get tons without a tune, but hey, tunes are expensive, so that is a future plan. Yeah, no. So there's gonna be some voiceovers in this video. I just kind of recorded it and I'll walk you through with some voiceovers step by step. Some spots I will do a little time lapse so you're not here waiting forever. Feel free to skip through if you're getting bored. Hopefully you're not. Hopefully I keep you entertained. But yeah, no. Should be fun, and I'm pumped to show you guys. So enjoy. Some of the tools you're going to need are a ratchet with a T30 Torx bit adapter or end. You'll also need some sort of adjustable pliers and a screwdriver or pick of some sort to get the sensor off of the turbo inlet elbow. The pipe off, we're gonna take our T30 and take the bolt out that we see in there and twist the turbo inlet elbow off and take it out. Here that we took the bolt out, and what we're going to do is take a small screwdriver and just pop off that sensor and be very gentle not to break it. So here I'm just showing you the difference between the OEM and the aftermarket inlet. As you can see, it is a much larger opening and diameter to get more airflow through to the turbo. So now we are installing the new turbo inlet elbow. Just do it in the reverse order as you took the old one out. Put it in, twist it into the slots, throw the screw from the original inlet back into the hole, tighten it down, and pop on your sensor. Make sure everything's secure, and you should be good to go. That is your turbo inlet elbow installed. Now we're going to install our new aftermarket intake hose, which is larger in diameter and smoother than the corrugated stock hose, which reduces friction and adds increased airflow to your turbo. When paired with the inlet elbow, helps with turbo spool and hopefully produces a little bit more power. And make sure to tighten the bands on the intake pipe securely so that it does not pop off when you are under load. There you have it, guys. There is your aftermarket intake pipe and turbo inlet elbow install. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe for more, and let me know down in the comments if you have any tips, tricks, or anything you'd like to see in future upcoming videos. Peace out.